we are going to use midpoint formula to prove that diagonals of a quadrilateral bisects each other. Now, so we'll first draw the rough diagram. So I have a quadrilateral ABCD. P is the midpoint of AB, Q is the midpoint of BC, R is the midpoint of DC, and S is the midpoint of AD. I will draw PQRS. Now we have to prove that PQRS is a parallelogram, that diagonals of PQRS bisects each other. So let that point be M. So here A is given as -1, -1, B is given as -1, 6, C is given as 3, 6, and D is given as 3, Now we'll divide this into 4 parts so that I will calculate the midpoint of AB, midpoint of BC, midpoint of CD, and midpoint of AD. P is midpoint of AB, Q is midpoint of BC, R is the midpoint of CD, and S is the midpoint of AD. For that we need midpoint formula. So we will write down the midpoint formula. Midpoint M is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So we are going to use the midpoint formula for all these 4 cases. Now P is equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2, that is -1 plus -1 upon 2, -1 plus 6 upon 2. So I get P is equals to -1, 5/2. Exactly similar way Q is equals to midpoint of BC. So this one B and C. So -1 plus 3 upon 2, 6 plus 6 upon 2. So Q becomes 1, 6. R is the midpoint of CD. So 3 plus 3 upon 2 and 6 plus -1 upon 2. So R is equals to 3, 5 upon 2. Then S is the midpoint of AD. So -1 plus 3 upon 2 and -1 plus -1 upon 2. Therefore S is equals to 1, -1. For the midpoints of ABCD, now we have to, the midpoint of PR and midpoint of QS should come equal. Midpoint of PR and midpoint of QS should come equal. So let MPR is midpoint of PR. So MPR is same as, now I will focus on the coordinates of P and R. So -1 plus 3 upon 2, 5/2 plus 5/2 upon 2. So my answer comes 1, 5/2. Call this as 1. Let MQS is midpoint of QA. Therefore MQS is equals to, Q coordinates are 1, 6 and S coordinates are 1, -1. So 1 plus 1 upon 2, 6 plus -1 upon 2. Therefore MQS is equals to 1, 5 upon 2. Call this as 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say that MPR is 1, 5/2 and MQS is 1, 5/2. So what we can conclude? MPR is same as the coordinate of MQS. Therefore diagonals of PQRS bisects each other. So important formula are in coordinate geometry lesson using distance formula and midpoint formula. If you have liked the video, please share the video to your friends and follow my channel Unfiltered Concepts. I am Avni Joshi, mathematics teacher. See you next time. We are going to start with lesson polynomials.